In today's video of 1-2 step, I'm gonna show you how to send Soundmojis on Facebook Messenger. Soundmojis, for the people who don't know, a kind of emojis but in a form of sound. So depending upon which emoji that you choose, the similar kind of sound you can send to the other person on Messenger. So to send Soundmojis, open up the chat where you want to send it and just tap on the emojis option that you would have on Messenger. And from here on the top you can see a couple of options. On the right side you would see this sound icon. Tap on it and these are all the Soundmojis that you can send. Firstly, before sending, you can tap on any one of them and you could hear the sound playing. To send this Soundmojis, you can tap on send and this Soundmoji will be sent, and the other person, whenever they tap on these Soundmojis, they could also hear the sound being played. So that was the quick process of sending in Soundmojis on Facebook Messenger. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.